In our live trading room, we trade three markets: the gold market, the euro, and the S&P 500. And for example, I'm showing a chart here on our gold market listing the trades that we took over the last several trading sessions, actually about 2 weeks. We trade the futures contracts as well as the options on the futures. The gold market can be extremely volatile, and I have done more on the options side here lately. But during the course of each trading day, I have a lot of subscribers that want to participate with the futures. So I will be showing the futures trades during the course of the trading session in the room, along with the option positions that I take and I manage throughout the day. The nice thing about having both is that it gives me constant participation. If there is a choppy environment or perhaps a risk that's prohibitive on the future side, I have another instrument that I can use. And on the options, I can pick and choose at what level of risk I can participate and look for perhaps some of the larger swing moves. On the future side, when the larger pivot moves at support and resistance coincide with the shorter time frame chart and support on the smaller time frame, we can really fine-tune our entries on the future side and try to make a case with less risk on the future side at these major pivot points. And so our trades on the futures are very selective. They're not as frequent. There may be 1 or 2 trades in a day. There may be 0 trades in a day. But we try to limit our exposure on the future side at these major pivot points so we get a move in the direction that we're looking for. And these boundaries that allow us to make a case for taking a trade either to the long side and to the short side are very much a part of the process by which we place a trade. So each trading day in the room, you see the charts in real time, you see the support and the resistance levels on all three markets, and we show the shorter time frame chart when we're going to initiate and trade a futures contract. And so I think part of the education is that you see an application of using multiple time frames to build a case for taking a trade. So having both instruments and discussing both instruments, both the options on the futures and the futures, it enables us to participate not only during the day on an intraday basis, but also participate on the larger swing moves. On the gold, it could be as much as $50 or $70 in 3 or 4 trading sessions. And so I invite you to visit our site, www.tradingeurofutures.com. On the left-hand side, there's an icon where you can click and visit us free for a day in our live trading room. It requires HotCom, and you can get a free 7-day trial from them. And so at no cost, you can join us in the room, see our levels, and see the value of our levels and how they frame up what we do. And the structure of the room is such that it is an ongoing education. There is not a large demand on our customers to invest in courseware or spend a lot of money for educational material. The education comes in on a daily basis, and I've tried to make it as affordable as possible so that over time, as the days and the weeks and the months unfold, you'll see for yourself and create for yourself a systematic way in which you can participate.